Question number 15. Nimar thinks that oranges that are very juicy cost more than those that are not very juicy. He buys 20 oranges from different places and measures the amount of juice JML that each orange produces. He also notes the price P of each orange. The data can be summarized as follows. A. Find SJJ, SPP and SJP. So let's find these values required in question A. SJJ. The formula for SJJ is sigma j squared minus sigma j the whole squared divided by n. Sigma j squared is 52,335 minus sigma j is 979 the whole squared divided by 20, as he had sample of 20 oranges, and that is equal to 4412.95. Okay, then moving on to SPP. SPP is sigma p squared minus sigma p the whole squared divided by n, and that is equal to 32,156 minus 735 the whole squared divided by 20, and that gives us 5144.75. Moving on to SJP, that is equal to sigma JP minus sigma j into sigma p divided by n, and that is equal to 39,950 minus 979 into 735 divided by 20, and that is equal to 3971.75. So we've got all the values required in part A. In part B, we need to, using answers to part A, calculate the product moment correlation coefficient. Product moment correlation coefficient is R, and that is equal to SJP. SJ and PR are two variables, divided by the square root of SJJ into SPP, and that is equal to 3971.75 divided by the square root of 4412.95 times 5144.75. 5144.75, all of it under square root. And when we work this out, we get the value of R as 0.834, correct to 3 significant figures. Now, part C of the question says, describe the type of correlation between the amount of juice and the cost. So, state with reason whether or not Nimar is correct. So, Nimar was suggesting that oranges which are more juicy, they have a better price. Okay, so whether or not he is correct. Now, we see that the answer for R is 0.834, and this is very close to 1. So answer of R being close to 1 means that very strong positive correlation is there. Strong positive correlation means that when the amount of juice increases and the price also increases. So Nimar is correct. So there is a strong positive correlation for the part C. R is equal to 0.834, and value of R is close to 1. Of R is very close to 1, which means strong positive correlation, which means strong positive correlation. So under this, positive correlation means if the oranges are very juicy, they cost more, or if the oranges are less juicy, they cost less. So therefore NIMR is correct. Therefore NIMR is correct.